Hi students, in this video you are going to learn about bank reconciliation statement illustration 8. In our previous video till 7 illustrations have discussed. So it is the 8th one and it is the last illustration of this chapter. Because after this illustration with adjusted cash book, bank reconciliation statement with adjusted cash book will be there. That is eliminated chapter for current year. Come, let's discuss about it. From the following particulars, prepare the bank reconciliation statement of Sri Kishan as on 31st March 2005. Balance as per passbook they have given 10,000, but they haven't mentioned whether it is credit balance or debit balance. So you know passbook and cash book have inverse relationship, don't forget it. And balance as per passbook is rupees 10,000. Here they haven't mentioned anything about whether it is overdraft balance or credit balance. Unless or otherwise mentioning about overdraft, we should consider it is a credit balance as per passbook 10,000 rupees. Credit balance means available balance. So we are having plus balance called favor balance in our organization called favor balance. So whenever we want we can withdraw that money from the bank account. So it is available balance. So it is balance as per cash book. That to credit balance as per cash book, isn't it? So where you will write it is the favorable one, we will be written this in plus symbol, okay, plus sign. One is B. Bank collected a check of rupees 500 on behalf of Sri Kishan. 500 worthable check bank collected on behalf of Sri Kishan, but wrongly credited to Sri Kishan's account. So many Sri Kishans have account in the same bank. Instead of crediting rupees 500 in your account, bankers credited that 500 rupees worthable check in another Sri Krishan's account. So here bankers did mistake. Anyway, that 500 rupees behalf of you banker received from your debtor, isn't it? So banker lead mistake. Anyway, this amount going to increase your available balance. So it is a plus sign. And next one. Bank recorded a cash book deposit of rupees 1,589 as rupees 1,598 rupees. So bank recorded how much amount it is the cash book deposit. So we deposited money 1,589 rupees only we deposited in our bank account. But banker credited in our bank account is 1,598 rupees. So nearly 9 rupees extra they have credited in our bank account. So who did this mistake? Bankers mistake it is. They have credited 9 rupees extra in our bank account, so that should be deducted from our bank account, isn't it? And next one is withdrawal column of the passbook undercost by 100 rupees. Actually withdrawal is undercosting here. Undercosting means they costed it is low. For an example, 1,100 rupees you withdrawn from your bank account, but banker recorded 1,000 rupees only you withdrawn likewise. Who lead mistake here? Banker lead mistake. 100 rupees more should be debited in your bank account in the future. So anyway, this amount should be deducted from our bank account. And next one. E. The credit balance of rupees 1,500 as on the passbook was recorded in the debit balance. So here they did biggest mistake. Your available amount, which is the credit balance of your passbook, is 1,500. It is the actual entry. But what bankers did, instead of crediting 1,500 in your bank account, they debited, which is that overdraft, isn't it? Actually, the bankers should credit 1,500 in your bank account. Instead of that, they debited 1,500 in your bank account. So here, instead of the available balance, now overdraft balance. For your better understanding, I will give a story. Actually, I am the debtor to you for 1,500 rupees. But now I have written in my note, I have to give 1,500 to Raman, your Raman. Instead of that, Raman has to give 1,500 rupees to me, likewise I have written. So now who is debtor? You are debtor for 1,500 to me, isn't it? So collectively 3,500. I should give 1,500. Then now wrongly I have entered you should give. So collectively 3000 rupees. Banker should settle 3000 rupees in our bank account. So here banker and customer have debtor creditor relationship. When you deposited the money into the banker are debtors. When you are maintaining available balance in your bank account, bankers are debtors. Whenever you want, we can withdraw that money from the banker. At the same time, if you are enjoying the overdraft facility, you are debtor to the banker because you are responsible to pay that overdraft money with interest money to the banker, isn't it? So now banker should credit 1500 plus already they debited the 1500, so collectively 3000 rupees should be credited in our bank account. So it is a plus sign. 3000 rupees should be credited. Next one, the payment of a check of rupees 350 was recorded twice in the book. Next one, the payment of a check of rupees 350 was recorded twice in the passbook. You wrote a check to your creditor. You issued the check to your creditor. You are Sri Kishan. Sri Kishan issued the check amount rupees 350 to your creditor. Your creditor submitted the check to the banker. So immediately banker debited that 350 rupees in your bank account after scrutinizing the check. So that 350 will be credited to your creditor's account. So now that 350 is debited in your bank account, it is an actual entry. But instead of debiting single time, banker did the same transaction twice, which means 700 rupees he debited in your bank account. Whose mistake it is? Banker's mistake. That too, extra debit they did. If they did extra debit, in the future, after scrutinizing, they will comes to know it is banker's mistake. So that amount will be returned by the banker to you. 350 rupees will be credited in your bank account. So favorable. And last one is, the passbook showed a credit balance for a check of rupees 1000. It is not 100. It is 1000 rupees. 1000 deposited by Sri Kishan. K means 1000. Don't confuse. It is K. 1000 rupees deposited by Sri Kishan. So if Sri Kishan, you only Sri Kishan, if you deposited money in your bank account, that information will be available in your cash book. But no information related to this deposited. If you deposited your money 1000 rupees in your bank account, immediately you will be returned in the cash book. But in cash book, no information is related to this 1000 rupees. In this sense, you fails to deposit, but in banker, they wrong credit 1000 rupees in your bank account. So this should be deducted. It is wrong credited by the banker 1000 rupees in your bank account. So now you know very clearly. Okay, now you focus. We are going to prepare the solution for this bank reconciliation statement. We are going to prepare. See, bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2005. So if date they have given, here you can write date, but now it is serial number. Okay, then particulars, plus amount, minus amount. Plus amount called favorable amount, it is unfavorable balances. So we are going to check with it. First one is balance as per passbook, rupees 10,000. So balance as per passbook, available balance in bank account is 10,000 rupees. So plus sign. Credit balance as per passbook 10,000 rupees. Then second one is bank collected a check of rupees 100 on behalf of Sri Kishan, but wrongly credited it to Sri Kishan's account. To another one Sri Kishan's account, it was wrongly credited. Anyway, this mistakes done by the banker. So instead of crediting in our account, this is credited to someone's account. So it is addable one, favorable one for us. It should be credited 500 rupees. And third one, bank recorded a cash book deposit of rupees 1589 as 1598 rupees. Here wrongly they have recorded 9 rupees more in our bank account. So that 9 rupees they are going to deduct. You focus this excess credit, fifth one, excess credit for cash deposit 9 rupees, isn't it? And fourth one, D. Withdrawal column of the passbook under cost 100 rupees. Actually withdrawn 1100 for example, but actual amount is entered by the banker is 1000 rupees only. So 100 more rupees should be debited in your bank account. Bank account should be debited 100 rupees. So under costing of withdrawal column, under costing, isn't it? And next one, fifth one, the credit balance of rupees 1500 as on the passbook was recorded to the debit balance. So credit balance, it should be there 1500 rupees in your bank account, but they have recorded in debit side, opposite. Wrongly they have recorded 1500 rupees in your debit side. So 1500 plus 1500 favorable amount 3000 rupees should be credited in your bank account, isn't it? Third one. And next one, F. The payment of a check of rupees 350 was recorded twice in the passbook. So 2 times they have recorded, instead of debiting 350 rupees in your bank account, 700 rupees debited, which is called twice they debited in your bank account, banker's mistake. So 350 rupees will be credited by the banker to your bank account. After scrutinizing these details, so 350 rupees will be credited in your bank account. And next one, the passbook shows a credit balance for a check of rupees 1000 deposited by Sri Kishan. Passbook shows information, not cash book, isn't it? So in passbook only this information is available. 1000 rupees Sri Kishan deposited, but it is a wrong deposit, which is called wrong credit by the banker. And finally we are going to add all the favorable and unfavorable separately. Favorable, if you are adding 10,000 plus 3,000, 13,850 rupees. 13,850 rupees we are expecting in credit side. So actual amount is 1,109 rupees. 1,109 minus 13,850 rupees, then 12,741 rupees should be the debit balance as per cash book. So with the help of the credit balance as per passbook, we are finding out how much amount should be there in debit balance as per cash book bank column. So now you know very clearly credit balance as per passbook and debit balance as per cash book are same, isn't it? So with the help of this information, we can easily track this information how much will be there in cash book. At the same in opposite sense, if you are doing with cash book balances, this minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Then we can easily find out how much amount should be there in passbook credit side, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed and you learned about this illustration 8. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to ask me, text me the doubts. Immediately I will give the remedy for your doubts. Thank you.